In this rollout review, I'm going to be showing you a software in which you could be building these website with basically no code, and you can use the power of AI to basically build this website. And also it's an alternative to Shopify, Webflow and Mix. And also guys, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial later in this video, but now let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. And if you want this product, you can click the first link in the description. You can get a 10% discount if you are a new user to AppSumo, and also you get a lifetime deal as well. So it's best for entrepreneurs, marketers, and who are involved in the software space. And you can do integrations with GoDaddy. So if you want a new domain or anything like that, you can do with that. And how it works is you can describe the website what you want, and AI will basically do that. And if you have an inspirational website that you have already with you, you can just give a screenshot to Rollout and it will create a similar website. So the thing is that Rollout doesn't make like really complex website. It's basically very simple with what they are generating with AI. It's not really complicated or anything like that. So whatever you want to do with Rollout, you could be doing. If you want a web page, web app, or presentation, blog, resume, whatever you want, you could be doing. So that's kind of cool. And also you can adjust layout, colors and font. You could be changing any components of your choice. And make sure you guys really check out the templates. The templates can differ a lot and it might not suit your website as well, so with what it's in your mind. So the templates can differ, but they offer a lot of templates. They offer 100 templates for their tier 1 and up to like 1000 for tier 2 and tier 3. And you can improve your site performance, you can make your website fully responsive, and also you can collaborate with your team. You can bring team members who work for you or anything like that. So that's it for the features. Now let's look at the license tiers. So it has got a total of 3 license tier, and the first license tier, if you look at it, there are not a lot of features that they have. It's SEO optimization is basic. The AI generated templates is only like 100. So I don't think license tier 1 is the go-to way, but if you are like a beginner, I think the lifetime plan of license tier 1 is good enough. And if you look at the license tier 2, I think it offers up to like 1000 plus templates for both license tier 3 and license tier 2. And the SEO optimization is advanced as well. And the number of projects you could be doing is 10 here it's 25, so that's the difference. And the number of team members is only 5 here, but it's unlimited. But rest of the features are basically the same. So if you're like a small business, I would say I think the license tier 1 would be good enough. But if you are into business and if you want to scale your business or anything like that, I think the license tier 2 would be great. Now let's go to the dashboard out of Rollout. So this is the dashboard, and in the project section you could be making these projects, and if you want to create websites, you can do that all here. So let's go ahead and create a new project. So all you have to do is just type in what you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Okay, now let's ask it to make a prompt on a gym website. So ChatGPT has given me the prompt, so I'm going to go with this. So for the sake of the video, I'm not going to go more onto the prompt. I'm just going to just copy paste it. I think the prompt is pretty good. There is like testimonials, you have contact and membership plans and trainers and classes, about us, home, SEO friendly, mobile optimized, and all of that. So let's see what Rollout can do. I'm going to click on generate now. So as you can see, the website has been created. It took around 10 minutes for the AI to actually generate everything. So this is how the interface looks like. So let's have a look at all of this. So as the name was Iron Core, it has made that. and it looks quite simple. So it has the core values, about section, then they have classes. So they have classes on cardio, strength, then mind and body. Then I'm not sure what this is. I think it's some core training. So here you can see all the classes. So you have power lift, spin cycle, yoga, core crusher. I'm not sure why the picture is not shown, and you can start your free class here by pressing this button. You can see the professional trainers. You could basically edit all these components as per your choice. You can view all the trainers. You can see the membership plan. So there is basic, premium, elite. You can be changing all of this by just clicking it and basically editing and all of that. You could change to the editing mode and you can change all the editing. And we have the testimonials, and we have membership, and we have some blogs and some posts about fitness. Then we have the subscribe to a newsletter. You can collect emails here. You can contact people can contact you with this, your location, all of that. So I would say even the FAQs have been generated. So I would say this website is pretty good. The footer also looks pretty good. I thought the detailing wouldn't be there, but it has quite a number of details, and you have the privacy policy, terms of condition, cookie policy, accessibility. You basically have everything. So I would say this website, I think it's okayish. Now you have to edit it and make it better. So you can turn on the editing mode, and basically anything you want to change, you could be changing. Maybe you have just 10 trainers, you can just type in just 10. So you can describe AI to do the action as well. You can change the typography, the size, the text size. You can change the spacing, you can change the color. You can basically do anything with the website. If you want any change, you can easily change it. You can also change the alignment as well. And if you want to see how your website looks like, just press here and it will redirect to the website. So this is how your website is going to look like. You have the home, you have about section, you have the classes, you have the trainers, then you have the membership, which is the pricing. Then you have the testimonial and the blogs, and where people can actually contact you, and also the footer and the FAQs. So I would say the website have come out pretty good, because it looks really good. If you are anyone who is having a business, you could easily create a website design with basically no code, with a click of a few buttons, and AI will basically create the whole website. So that's it for this video of Rollout. And also you guys could see it on the tablet version, and maybe if you want to see in the mobile version, any version you want, you could be doing. And also there is a full screen version, you could see the whole. So that's basically it for this video of Rollout. So based on your needs and preferences, you can go with the license here as per your choice. And I don't think it can be a replacement for Shopify, but definitely it can create you some cool website with no codes. Overall, I think it's good. So if you want to get Rollout, you can click the first link in the description. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video.